This sensational 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer comes equipped with a responsive 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting transmission, and has front-wheel drive. It also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has comfortable seats, only 40,663 miles, and its electronic features include an AM/FM compact disc audio system and a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. The safety features on this vehicle include ventilated front disc brakes, both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.